Here we go. Today we will understand advanced filter function in Excel. So here are the data, date, first name, last name and sales. We just wanted to pull out the non-duplicate values, fresh values. So just go to the data tab and then go to advanced. Here you first select the data list of range. I'm just selecting this is the range, and then I'm just copying to another location and a unique record to be copied, and my placement area is this one. I just do OK. So I got all the data without all the duplicate data went away. Like here Henry is a couple of times Henry came, Henry Roy. This is the Henry Roy, this is the Henry Roy. So Henry Roy clubbed into one. Here it is. So this is how advanced filtering functions. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.